you know, when she'd
Stay.
She's amazing for one. Yeah.
She was fast, but she was great.
Yeah,
I think there's a fine balance in it.
yeah, I mean, jumpers, she hates jumpers.
Yes.
So,
Yes, out.
when no, you don't need one. She ever gets her top, well, jumpers.
Flip.
Atta girl. Good girl.
Rex.
That's the force move. Oh, good try. Good try. Tell her weave sooner. Tell her we weave, baby, because she was
Solid.
returning with her feet. Oh, yeah.
It was too late. Come back to the shoe. Come back to the shoe. Set that up.
Rex. Rex, come. Yes. Okay.
Good try. All right, so you need to be a little more patient. Hang back, let her find Andrews, and then you can speed up. Don't move in until she's got that entrance. So this is a hard skill, Mom. You're doing
I
good
know.
stuff.
Doing a rear engine entrance is hard. Yeah, one for us.
She's like totally distracted by what we're doing. She's like, oh yeah, there you go. Oh.
Come on, girl. Focus. Higher. Rock, weave, and then they'll turn and weave. Weave. Yes.
Hey! More, yay, good girl. That's okay, good girl.
You missed one. Look, you got the hard part.
Yeah. Yay!
That was interesting. That's good information. Because this dog weaves really well, but the fact that she was moving around that way, it was like, what?
Good girl.
Race you. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Because you said you wanted to race me.
You want to fix that?
No. No.
Girlfriend.
That might be too, because there's a lot of people here too. So that, again, she's multitasking and keeping track of everybody.
This is a bad mom,
I can't tell you how many
Yes.
I've had.
Better ease up on the bottom. All the way.
Yay!
Roxy.
Yay!
You are so distracted.
All right, let's move right.